Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I finally got this video up for you guys. I know it's long overdue because I posted this video on my Snapchat a couple of months ago and you guys wanted to know how I got my curls, so here it is. Now it's pretty easy to follow along with. All I did was curl my hair with my curling iron, used a few bobby pins and holding spray to hold the curls. Once they cooled down, I brushed them out and I was good to go. Now I'm not going to do any talking in this video, so make sure you check the description box for any additional information. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media account, which will be on the screen. And yeah, let me know how this video went for you guys. This is my first time doing a voiceover. I just got a mic and I'm trying to get more into the voiceover and talk through videos. So just leave me a comment down below and I'll check you guys in my next one.